Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite people to your party chat on your Xbox One. So the first thing we want to do is press the Xbox guide button, open the screen up, then tab on over to Parties and Chat. Now you can create a party right here, and I already have one created, so let's select in the upper left. Then, under here, we want to go to this button right here, Invite More. So let's press this button with the 3 lines on it. Then we have the option to invite to party right here on the top. Or we can go to invite to game. So select your friends under this list, and then you can start inviting them. Otherwise, you can go to find someone. Maybe you played with someone in the past, and you want to go ahead and just locate their name, search or add them to that screen right there, and you should be good to go. Otherwise, you can choose from a specific club that you're in. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.